like your Scorpion window film. Today I'm going to show you how to get our Scorpion scan software connected to the Jaguar VLX. Hey guys, so the first thing we're going to do after we have the plotter turned on is take our Ethernet cable and plug it into the Ethernet box. Now that we've got that connected, we want to take the plotter offline, hit offline for system setup, miscellaneous, then just scroll over to the DHCP setting. What we want to do is enable the DHCP so that your plotter can be found on the network through the scan software app. So DHCP, select enter. You can see it's disabled. We want to hit the up key, enable it. Now you're ready to go. Go back online, and now we will show you how to get it connected to the scan software. All right guys, so what we're gonna do now is load the Scorpion scan software up and just start working our way through the process. You're gonna select your car, 2025 Chevrolet Blazer. Now you can see you can select any of your templates you want there. We're just gonna do the front roll-ups. Hit apply. Go to step 2. Enter in our film details. The cutting width on my plotter with this roll is 34.3. Enter that in. 100-foot roll. Cost on a 36-inch roll of carbon is $175. You can kind of see a cool feature here. Our cost for those 2 front roll-ups on that Blazer is $7.91. All right guys, now we are ready to connect our plotter to the scan app. What we want to do is just tap settings. You can see our plotter there is loading. Just wait for the load to finish. Tap on it, set up plotter, success. Now you can send it to the plotter. Now as you can see, we are cutting out those 2 fronts on that Chevy Blazer. If you guys are having issues finding the plotter, when you tap that settings icon, check your plotter settings again to ensure that your DHCP has been enabled. Otherwise it will not be found on the network. Connecting Scorpion scan software to your Jaguar VLX is that simple. If you've got any questions, give us a call at 1-800-483-9087. And remember, Scorpion, protect what's yours.